If you're looking for something that's easy to install and offers great performance at the same time, the PureRock 2 FX from Be Quiet is the answer. This cooler is a successor to the highly popular original PureRock 2 from Be Quiet. The main difference here is that this one includes AM5 mounting hardware out of the box, as well as a souped-up ARGB fan. Like most other CPU coolers seen from this brand, the PureRock FX features a uniform black aesthetic all round the body. This is true for the fin stack, the fan itself, and even the 6 heat pipes. It's a stealthy design that will look good in any build. And the inclusion of the ARGB fan is a nice touch. Speaking of which, this new addition is a Lightwings 120mm PWM ARGB fan that has a maximum RPM of 2000. As you'd expect from the company's name, this fan is incredibly silent, even at full throttle. Also, the LED ring around the blades looks great and provides a soft glow to your PC. Memory clearance isn't an issue with this one either. It has an asymmetrical design, meaning one side of this cooler is raised slightly higher than the other. As such, neither the fans nor the fans will block RAM in any way. You can easily use taller memory modules with ease. In terms of performance, the PureRock 2 FX has a cooling efficiency of 150 watts. This means that it can easily handle CPUs that have an equal or lower TDP rating. Considering the 7600X is a 105-watt CPU, this cooler handles it without any problems. Even with a bit of overclocking, it can handle a good number of CPUs at full load. The best part is that, true to the Be Quiet name, this cooler is very silent. While cooling the 7600X, it manages to stay at around 30 decibels. For reference, similar single-tower coolers like the Deepcool AK400 and the ID Cooling SE214 are louder. The kicker is that the PureRock 2 FX does this when the fan speed is at nearly 2000 RPM. With a slight fan curve, it's even quieter. Unfortunately, all that great performance and near-silent operation comes at a price. For reference, this cooler is very close in price to the Deepcool AK620, a dual-tower CPU cooler that outperforms it considerably. The Thermalright Peerless Assassin is even cheaper and also outperforms the PureRock FX. However, both of these coolers are dual-tower coolers that take up more space, are noticeably louder, and will have trouble with memory clearance. For any modern CPU, the PureRock FX is more than enough, and most people will appreciate the noise levels more than the performance they might not need. It's pricey, but a worthy investment for someone who cares about low noise when pairing a cooler with a not very demanding CPU. To sum up, what I like is the near-silent operation, the easy installation, the stealthy appearance, and it's compatible with most cases. On the downside, it's pricey for its performance class. Ratings: design and aesthetics, 9 out of 10. Cooling performance, 8 out of 10. Noise, 9 out of 10. Installation, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8.6 out of 10.